much. I'm Lloyd Bazar. I'm the co-founder of Izanagi. According to our partner brokers, tayo yung community na pinakamalaking may nagka-copy trade sa atin. And that has been running for the past 5 years already. So hindi lang siya profitable, but it is also has been sustaining. I really can't promise the future pa rin sa Forex since high risk yung Forex. But yeah, it's one of the most profitable and longest running fund management na ngayon sa copy trading. And I'm very proud to be one of the founding leaders of that. And especially yung copy trading, I am one of the most copied copy trader sa Pilipinas. And hopefully makatulong ako sa inyo ngayon with our topic this afternoon. Pwede ko ba i-explain sa kanila ano ba talaga ang copy trading, Sir Fitz? Para
Yes,
in
of
case
course.
may mga hindi pa nakakalaman ng copy trading. Basically, it's a system na pinoprovide ngayon. It's a service that brokers provide kung saan pwede mo nang makopya yung mga trades ng mga kilala or magagaling na traders or sino bang traders na nagpapakopya dyan. So, and then, ang pinakamaganda dyan is yung pagkokopya na yan is automated. So, kung gusto nyo akong kopyahin, kung magta-trade ako nitong forex pair na ito ngayon, that is what is going to reflect on your account also. So, whatever I profit from that in percentage, automatically, ganun din ang profits nyo. But it's not just the profits. You're also gonna be copying the risk. Kung ano yung strategy ko, ano ba yung risk strategy ko sa trading ko, yun rin yung sa inyo. So if I lose, let's say for example, 5% of my capital, you're gonna lose also 5%. So it is a fully automated na kumukopya na automatic. Kung mahilig kayo mangopya noon, then this is ng college, then this is definitely a good area for you to check out. Dito pwede ka ng mangopya na kumikita ka pa. So ang ganda.
Sa akin, ang gusto ko sa copy trading because I am busy with my business and other stuff, but I also don't want to miss out on the
True.
earning opportunities in the global market, particularly in the forex market.
Yes.
So fan ako talaga ng copy trading ever since pa, siguro pre-pandemic or early pandemic days. Yun din talaga yung binuhusan ko ng pera kasi sa tingin ko meron siyang magandang potential. You have the Izanagi community, Lloyd, no? So sa mga hindi pa familiar, ano nga ba itong Izanagi community na finound mo?
Yeah, basically it's the biggest trading community sa Pilipinas. It's where lahat ng mga nagka-copy trade, nagpapaturo sa amin mag-forex, which is we're sharing for free, is a member of. So, it's gonna be very helpful sa mga gustong matutong mag-trade or just want to go into forex trading or other types of trading kasi one of the ways to be successful in trading is to have a community. Kasi meron ka mapagtatanungan, and then ang pinaka-importante niyan is matino. And yung mga tao hindi mag-advertise sa iyo ng mga ganito ganyan, hihilain ka sa mga scam ganito ganyan. So it is a regulated community. So we keep it as healthy as possible. Which is kung if ever you decide to come with us and then try to explore our copy trading and the trading strategy that we're using, pwede rin kayong mag-join yan para may makausap kayo at may makasabay kayo sa trading nyo.
I like what you said, no, na one of the essential keys to success when it comes to forex trading is having a community. Kasi yes, you can learn the strategies by yourself, etc. Pero iba pa rin yung may nakakausap kang community kasi you get insights on what's happening in the market. Kasi ang volatility ng market, emotional siya eh. So wala siyang black and white, and it will really help you discover kung ano ba yung magandang strategy mo when you get what others are thinking. Sabi nga nila, merong fundamental analysis, technical analysis, pero meron din kasing market sentiment analysis na ano ba yung nararamdaman ng mga tao, ano ba yung nararamdaman ng mga traders, and even ano yung plano ng mga fellow traders mo, kasi those are all connected when it comes to forex trading. And that's one thing that I like really with the Izanagi community, kasi it feels that everyone is learning together. I've been trading forex since the early 2010s, And I've been part of a lot of communities. Unfortunately, a lot of them parang medyo inactive na, wala na kasi yung naging mga founding members siguro they're busy with other stuff already.
Right.
But it has helped me in my journey to be part of a community. And so far, ilang members na ang Izanagi community? Umabot na ba kayo ng 1 million members?
Hindi naman. Nasa mga 5,000 members tayo na active. If ano lang, it's a filtered community kasi. So hindi natin basta-basta pinapapasok basta-basta sino lang. They have to be part of the system. They have to be trading with our strategy para makarelate naman sila.
Meron kayong mga iba't ibang copy trading system na pwedeng kopyahin ng mga members.
Our very first or yung pilot na fund management system natin is called Izanagi. Dalawa sila ngayon. They're both low risk. I know that Forex is high risk po, but you can apply low risk strategies po sa Forex. Kaya pwede pa rin namin tawagin siyang low risk. Dalawa sila and they have different purpose, additional purpose. Pero ang pinaka-purpose talaga nila is for fund management, kung saan tutubo yung pera ninyo. Basing on our past performance, has been averaging 1% a month, which is a very good alternative kaysa kung meron na kayong MP2, meron na kayong mga REITs, and you want to diversify and you have some funds na extra, kaya nyo ilagay sa high risk, this is a good option. So, dalawang Izanagi yan, Izanagi and Izanagi Oddcad. I'll start with Izanagi Oddcad. It is a copy trading system na nagfo-focus ng Oddcad lang. Bakit si Oddcad? It's a Forex pair kasi, Australian dollars against Canadian dollar. Yun yung paborito naming tinatrade talaga na Forex pair. Bakit? Because it's the most stable one. And stable in a way na very predictable yung up and down niya. So, it's a good balance between two economies, yung Australia and Canada. When with that, because it's very stable, mas madali siyang i-trade. And so, meron tayong bot or EA na andyan yung technical analysis natin na nagte-trade, and then pwede nyo kopyahin yung trades niya. And has been doing well for so many years already. So, it's mainly for just purely copy trading, si Izanagi Oddcad. Yung isang Izanagi naman, trades 6 Forex pairs. Low risk pa rin siya, pero mas marami yung tinitrade niya. Bakit? Because we want you to, yung purpose kasi talaga ng Izanagi is we want you to learn how to trade. And then, yung Izanagi na yun na 6 pairs, gusto namin na kopyahin nyo yung trades niya. Pwede nyong pabayaan lang muna, pero kung gusto nyo matuto mag-trade, which is we strongly recommend, pwede nyong simulan doon. Kasi magaganda yung trades niya and it's low risk. Pwede nyong kopyahin on a separate account to trade manually by yourself. So, yun yung pinaka-purpose nun. So, again, Izanagi Oddcad is plainly for passive income lang. So, low risk siya. So, maganda siya sa large capital kasi hindi nyo kailangan ilakyan ng risk nun to earn substantial amount. So, Izanagi Oddcad, yung Izanagi plain, which is 6 pairs, if gusto nyo matuto along the way paano mag-trade, ano yung mga pipindutin, that. So, that's the second Izanagi na low risk natin. And so, this is Izanagi's MyFX book. If ever familiar na kayo, if you're just a newbie sa Forex, there is a way for you to present or i-journal mo yung buong account mo. So, you put it in a MyFX book. It's just a third-party journaling website para mapakita or mas mabasa na mas madali yung trading performance mo. And ito yung maganda sa copy trading. Okay? Pwede nyo kasing makita yung history ng isang trader, which is very important for you to decide kung gusto nyo kopyahin siya or hindi. So, Izanagi has been running since January 18, 2021. It's already up 736% sa initial na capital niya. But the bigger, pinakamagandang, what do you call this? Ang pinakamagandang basahin nyo talaga dyan is the monthly breakdown from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Makita nyo po dyan, all months has been closed with positive. 2025, medyo mabagal tayo ngayon. 0.6, February is at 0.5%, January 0.4. It's because of the trade wars. So, sobrang likot ng market and we don't want to go aggressive with this kind of market kasi very unpredictable. So, profitability, nabe-breakdown po dyan sa lahat ng trade, 72%. Ang winning and then ang losing natin na trades is 28%, which is very good. And all of these trades from January 18 to 20, today, 2021 to 2025 is made by just Izanagi, the EA that we started. And then pwede nyo po itong kopyahin. So, sobrang ganda ng performance niya.
If they want a low risk option na copy trading, nagsisimula pa lang sila, they can start with the Izanagi o CAD. Ngayon, kung gusto nilang matuto mag-trade and they still
Dahan-dahan.
don't want to have super high risk, relatively high risk, pwede silang mag-low risk pa rin doon sa Izanagi na 6 pairs. Tapos,
Yes.
on a separate account, i-check nila kung ano yung tinitrade ng Izanagi 6 pairs. Tapos pwede nilang gayahin and pag-aralan. Bakit ito yung tinrade ni Izanagi? No? So, it's a learning tool also without really exposing them to relatively higher risk. No? Kasi if they can choose na busy sila, they can just let the Izanagi 6 pairs earn passively. No? But
Yes.
for beginners, we recommend yung Izanagi na OddCAD, no? O CAD, which is on the average has been earning around 1% a month since 2021, which is very good